Hey guys, this video is all about how to fix error of Wi-Fi or LAN connected but no internet. First I will show you the error. I have connected with this Wi-Fi and there is a signal of Wi-Fi. You can say there is no lack of connection. For this, go to browser and I will show you the error. If I open google.com, here you can see it is taking more time and I have connected with this, but it is not working and it is not going to open. You can see there is an error checking the proxy address. There may be another error on your system, but both are same. If I open youtube.com, then this one is also taking more time and not going to open. There are many reasons behind of it, but I will show you how to fix it in this video. First step, we need to go to network and then troubleshoot this. We simply troubleshoot this and check to all network adapter, then click on next and then wait for the problem it is detecting, and if it solve your problem, that's okay, and if not, follow the next step. And in my case, window could not be detect the network's proxy setting, so troubleshooting does not work for me. We need to go to the second option, then go to search bar, go to control panel. Here I have chosen small icons. For the fast result, we have to choose category wise and then go to internet, network and internet, click on it, then go to internet options and this small window will open. Go to connection tabs and scroll down and go to LAN setting, and you can see there is already a proxy IP address here. Make it automatically detect setting and check this as well. Hit OK, then OK. See the if problem is gone or not. Then second step, go to open network and internet setting, click on it, and here scroll it down and change adapter options, click on it, and then go to the connected network. I have connected with Wi-Fi, so go to property here, then internet protocol version 4, click on it. If there is already address of it like this, obtain it automatically, this one choose, and obtain DNS server automatically. If in your case not working, then second, use the following DNS address. Type here 8.8.8 if the first one is not working, and then here 8.8.4.4. Hit OK and close it. Then come to this page and enable Wi-Fi. First disable this and then enable it and exit. If this step is working, then OK, and let's check it. Still not working, but I am not connected to Wi-Fi. First I have to connect. Now connected, then search again, and you can see the problem is gone. In my case, this has fixed the problem. In your case, if not fixed, we need to go to the second option, which is reset adapter setting IP-dir DNS. Go to CMD, right click on it and run as administrator. click on it. Here you need to type some commands. I have also pasted into my description link. You can just copy and paste or follow my screen. Type here netsh space, you can see there bottom, winsock space reset, then hit enter. The second command you need to type netsh space int space ip space reset, and then hit enter. The third command netsh space int space ip space reset, and then reset log. After the space, hit enter. Then the next command you need to type ipconfig space flush DNS, then hit enter. And the next command ipconfig space slash release. We have to release the old IP and get a new IP. For this, type ipconfig space slash renew and hit enter. Wait for the connection. Once get connected to Wi-Fi, it will automatically give you the IP address. Wait for that and then type here. You can see I have got the IP address. And then restart your laptop. If you are still facing same problem, then you have to follow the next step, which is reset network setting. This is the advanced step. This is mostly works. Open to internet and sharing center, then scroll it down and you will find here network reset option. Click on it and click on reset now, and it says are you sure? So I'm sure. Click on yes. You may be reconfigure VPN client, and this is showing your system is about to be shut down. So shut down your system and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Or if you are still facing same problem, then follow fourth step, which is update or uninstall Wi-Fi driver. Go to device manager here, type here device manager, click on it, and then go to network and adapters. Here expand this, and here we need to find which is the driver of Wi-Fi. For this I will show you the best result. Go to this tab and open network and internet, here this one, and you will find here your Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi and go to hardware property. Here you can see the name of your Wi-Fi driver. In my case, this is the name of my Wi-Fi driver. You can find out it accordingly and update or uninstall your device. Then you can see, then right click on it, the driver which we have identified, right click on it and simply update this driver. Browse my computer, this one, because we don't have internet, and choose the best option or updated option, or you can roll back it if your system in the past working good. Simply the driver will be installed, and you can see, close this. It says you must restart your computer, and right now no. And you can also uninstall this. Right click on it and this time uninstall this. click on it, and then go to action here and scan for hardware changes. It will automatically detect your Wi-Fi driver and you will get it back, and right click on it this time, uninstall this, and you can delete this one and uninstall this. You may have to reinstall it again according to your configuration of your laptop, or after the restart if it gets well. So thanks for watching our channel. If your issue is solved, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you.